Hey everyone, you're about to discover some mind-blowing facts about kiwi fruits that you probably never knew. Get ready because here we go. First up, did you know that kiwi fruits aren't originally from New Zealand? That's right. They actually hail from China, where they were called yang tao or Chinese gooseberries. New Zealanders renamed them kiwi fruits to avoid any Cold War-era associations with China. The name was inspired by their national bird, the kiwi, due to their similar brown, fuzzy appearance. Now here's a juicy fact. Gram for gram, kiwis contain more vitamin C than oranges. Green kiwis have about 93 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, compared to just 53 milligrams in oranges. So if you need a vitamin C boost, kiwis are your go-to fruit. Ever wondered about that fuzzy skin on a kiwi? It's actually edible and super packed with nutrients. Eating the skin increases the fiber content by almost 50% and contains triple the antioxidants found in the flesh. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. Did you know that kiwis make a great natural meat tenderizer? They contain an enzyme called actinidain, which breaks down proteins and makes meat softer when used in marinades. Perfect for your next BBQ. Believe it or not, there are over 400 different varieties of kiwi fruit. This diversity means you can find kiwis in all sorts of sizes, flavors, and appearances. Culinary possibilities are endless. Here's a sweet bonus. Eating kiwis can actually help you sleep better. A study found that consuming 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime improved sleep quality over 4 weeks. Who knew a fruit could be a bedtime snack? And let's not forget potassium. Kiwis pack as much potassium as bananas. 2 Zespri Sun Gold kiwis give you 510 milligrams of potassium, whereas a medium banana has about 422 milligrams. Go ahead, swap that banana for a kiwi. Worried about pesticides? Kiwi fruit is on the Environmental Working Group's Clean 15 list, making it one of the least pesticide-contaminated fruits. Feel good about biting into a kiwi. Lastly, kiwis contain serotonin, a neurotransmitter known to regulate mood and sleep. So, this little fruit not only tastes great but may also help improve your mood and sleep quality. That's it for today. If you enjoyed these kiwi facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more surprising facts. See you next time.